Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix your account is not valid for use in the US store on your iPhone. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I'm going to show you and tell you in this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first option that you can do is to change your Apple ID country. So to do that, or if you're willing to change your Apple ID, so this will allow you to purchase the app in the country you are currently in. However, if you're not in other country and you don't want to change or or you're not willing to change your Apple ID's country, you can follow the instructions to get rid of the error. So first, if you're using an iPhone, you can go ahead and follow this one. So go to your settings and then just click onto your name and then tap onto the iTunes and Apple Store and tap onto your Apple ID. So you might have to sign in or after this, rather, tap onto your Apple ID and then go to the View Apple ID. And there, you might have to sign in. So tap onto the country origin and then tap Change Country Origin. So select your new country origin and you'll have then review the terms and conditions and just tap Agree twice to confirm. You can now select a payment method and enter your new payment information and billing address. So you'll need to make sure that the billing address is valid unless this won't work. So tap onto the next button. So you should be able to download the app because your Apple ID is now associated with the country you are trying to purchase the app from. And then on your Mac or PCs, you can do this. So open your iTunes and from the top menu, just to choose account and then select or tap onto the view my account. So sign in with your Apple ID and then click on to your view account and click change country origin. So select your new country origin and agree to the terms and conditions. So enter the new payment information and billing address. So you'll need to make sure that your billing address is valid unless it won't work. So again, this is important, and then after that, just click on to continue. And then next, what you can do is to sign out then into the App Store. So if you have changed your Apple ID country or you're not in a foreign country to your Apple ID and you're still getting this error message, there are a few things you can do to fix the problem. So the first thing that you can do is sign out of the App Store. And since the problem is coming from the Apple Store and you're not in other country, there may be a bug causing this error to show up. So first, if you want to sign out, you need to open your App Store app and then just click on the Today tab. So tap onto the profile picture and choose the sign out option in there. So check your Apple ID and the password. Enter your Apple ID and password and tap sign in. So, and then click your name and Apple ID and check if your country origin setting is congruent to where you are now. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So if I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.